need to go this way?
Yeah.
You see those handles they give you to...
Whoa! Down goes Carson.
Oh,
He doesn't even care.
He's fine. Look at him.
Look at him in the paper.
Give me your camera there.
How am I gonna?
Give me your
How am I gonna? Is it something I don't want to open?
And what? On top. You know what the baby
How's that?
clothes in?
Yes. Why do I want baby clothes?
Carson.
Keep digging.
Carson.
Keep digging. Oh! There's a present in there.
Carson.
Hey, Carson.
Buddy. Put these on right now.
What in the heck? Are you kidding me?
I wrapped it.
Are you kidding me?
You must have
Hey.
been. You must have been good this year.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta put that on YouTube.
Really?
Don't you think that's overdoing it? You could just let a kid higher.
Oh no, I can see Carson and Shady on TV.
A big chief tablet and a Crayola.
Thank you, Jeremy. Are you kidding?